Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a yellow oxygen tank. The first step is to talk with your doctor about any breathing difficulties you may be experiencing. They will conduct a thorough evaluation to see if supplemental oxygen is right for you. This initial consultation is crucial for determining your specific needs and starting the process correctly. Be open about your daily activities so your doctor can recommend the best oxygen system. After your initial consultation, your doctor will likely order tests, such as an arterial blood gas study, to measure your oxygen levels. To qualify for home oxygen, your oxygen saturation typically needs to be at or below 88% while at rest. Once qualified, you will receive a written prescription from your doctor. This prescription is vital as it outlines your diagnosis, the exact oxygen flow rate in liters per minute, and how often you should use it, ensuring you get the correct therapy. With your prescription in hand, you'll work with your doctor and an oxygen supplier to select the best system for you. Options include compressed gas tanks, which are often yellow, or portable oxygen concentrators. It's important to understand your insurance coverage, as most policies cover supplemental oxygen when medically necessary. Your chosen supplier will then deliver and set up your equipment, providing initial training on its use and care. Safety is paramount when using oxygen. Always keep your oxygen tank at least 10 feet away from any open flames, heat sources, or flammable materials, as oxygen supports combustion. Store tanks upright and securely to prevent accidental falls. Remember to turn off the oxygen flow when you are not using it. For hygiene, clean your nasal cannula or mask weekly with mild soap and warm water, allowing it to air dry completely before your next use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.